Hi guys, welcome back for another video. Miss Gilio come packing in a new camera for me to try out. This is the GoPro 7. We are going to see what kind of footage we can get with the Mule in various angles with this camera on this machine. Now I will tell you, the GoPro 7 I have been using the Sessions 4 for you guys, and I instantly notice a difference as far as just the simplicity to set up. Now the fact that these cameras are waterproof and things like that makes it a perfect situation for this, right? And you guys are probably already familiar with that. But we're going to put a couple of these mounting clips, different spots here on the Mule. I will use alcohol and a rag to clean off the area before I use this, these stickies on here. I will say 3M makes some really good stuff, so if you're first time dealing with this and whatever you stick this to, when you have to remove it, it's a job. We're going to test out this thing and see what kind of footage we can get and have a good ride on the Mule on a beautiful day. Another beautiful day in November. That's rare, but we'll take them. The first one we're going to do is we're going to center up. We're going to mount one up here, and then I think I'm going to stick one here as well so we can get various angles coming off the back of the machine for you. You definitely want to try to keep this thing square. Make sure you press down firmly all the way around it. Alright, the top one's installed. We'll set the bed back down. There we go. Now the front of the machine poses a couple of different problems. There's nothing I can mount to this in order for it to be secure enough, as well as I even thought about, they send a little plastic flat mounting plate along with the packaging of the GoPro cameras. And I thought about a couple of screws here and just mount that flat plastic here. I don't want to stick one of those stickies here because, again, you start trying to get that away from this plastic and you're probably going to have to break some of it off. So I don't want to stick one to the windshield because obstruction of view, and then I have to keep it to where I can flip the glass up when we want ventilation. So I think what I'm going to do is take the flat mounting bracket that they have sent with this and mount that up on the top. And I am simply going to drill a couple of holes. Like I said, this is actually on the top of the lid, and this is what holds the camera in the boxing. So when you guys get that, if you get one of these cameras, don't throw that away. You can use this for desktop or anything you choose to mount it to. But this is my idea. I think I'm going to put that right up there. It's going to be a little cumbersome to climb up to actually get the camera on and off of there, but in the long run, I think that's going to give us the best field of view because we'll be able to look straight ahead or down over the front of the machine. So we will check the footage and see how it looks. All right, let's grab some footage of this and see how it's going to look. specs, and if it looks good, we'll send it up for you. This will be the second time I've done this. I will say on standard settings at 1080 with 24 frames per second, I loaded it up and you just absolutely couldn't see anything. The camera's just entirely too grainy. So I took some suggestions from you guys on YouTube. We're going to see if we can make it on this one. Thanks for watching.